Central Mining Institute. The Central Mining Institute is a research facility for the minerals extraction industry. The institute cooperates with the mining industry as well as with the companies from various sectors, universities, research institutes and local governments. The institute has advanced test facilities, excellent equipment, testing grounds and, more importantly, a team of experienced researchers.
Główny Instytut Górnictwa to jeden z największych i najlepszych instytutów badawczych w Polsce.
The Central Mining Institute is among the leading and largest research institutes in Poland. For over 90 years, we've been using our knowledge to support Polish and global mining, as well as other economic sectors. We support all the citizens of Poland, and in particular those who live in the Silesian Voivodeship. Our mission is the development of innovative, energy-saving, safe, clean technologies and technical solutions that will support the formation of a good relationships between the industry, the citizens and the environment. To accomplish this mission, the Institute takes on challenges posed by the contemporary economy and society. These challenges are consistent with global and European research trends. Mining and geoengineering. The mining industry needs nowadays new technical and technological solutions, enabling it to operate effectively during the next decades. Innovation is the key to improve clearly the production effectiveness, to ensure appropriate standards of health and safety at work, and to care about the natural environment. These are the very challenges that provide the foundation for the Institute activity. The safety at work is the key area of the Institute activity. The work carried out is a response to modern mining industry challenges, and it results in organizational and technical solutions which allow to minimize hazards and to improve the safety at work in mining plants. Examples include the work carried out under strategic projects, such as improvement in safety at work in mines, or the work carried out in international consortia, like the MISTE project entitled Improvement in Safety of Mine Shafts Operation and New Risk Assessment Instruments, co-financed from the Research Fund for Coal and Steel. The Institute has been also involved in numerous projects in the field of extraction rationalization, which result in cutting the cost of mining operations. The Institute activities are also concentrated on sustainable coal resources management and on optimal deposits utilization. The Central Mining Institute has a rich offer of new technical solutions for the mining industry, which received many awards in international invention exhibitions. The oldest section of the Central Mining Institute is the Barbara Experimental Mine, the only underground testing ground in Europe. The mine is a site of tests on gas and dust hazards, conducted not only for the purposes of the mining industry, but for other industrial sectors as well. The experimental facilities of the Barbara mine are used during the certification procedures of equipment and blasting materials, as well as during tests on explosive materials for civil uses. The Central Mining Institute is an EU-notified body entitled to award products with the European CE mark within 3 important directives: ATEX, machinery and explosives for civil uses. Practically all devices intended to be used in a zone which is at risk of a gas or dust explosion have to be examined by the laboratories of the Institute. The laboratories conduct a profile test on devices, machinery, protective systems and anti-explosion solutions. The Institute's greatest success in recent years has been the international IECX accreditation, which ensures that the certificates are recognized in most countries around the world. The studies on the development and implementation of new solutions in the field of risk monitoring and assessment of natural and technical hazards in mining, along with effective technologies for combating such hazards, are an undoubted success of the Institute. It is here that the original fire risk forecast method was developed, as well as the modern mining geophysics solutions that enable a more precise assessment of seismicity induced by mining activities. The original work of our specialists is valued in Poland and abroad, for example in China. Clean Coal Technology Center. Contemporary power industry sees a clash of two contradictory trends: the striving towards reduction of CO2 emissions and the use of coal as an important source of primary energy. The Clean Coal Technology Center was founded to reconcile these two concepts and make coal more environmentally friendly. The infrastructure available at the center allows for experiments on various scales, from basic laboratory tests to pilot tests, which brings the research work closer to actual commercial implementation. New technologies are being developed at the CCTC, including such as solid fuels gasification in surface and underground conditions, or coal gasification for the production of chemical raw materials, and many others. They are part of the global research trends in this area. The center performs a wide range of accredited analysis of solid fuels, biofuels, recovered fuels and cinders, ensuring fully objective results. Environmental Engineering Center. The Central Mining Institute has the most advanced environmental radioactivity center in Poland. The center conducts research on natural background radiation and radioactive contamination. The center has unique research equipment, such as the equipment for the calibration of devices measuring all kinds of radiation. It performs measurements of radioactive contamination of human environment, water and foodstuffs. The newly founded Environmental Engineering Center conducts comprehensive research and development work in the area of environmental engineering and so-called green economy, providing the Institute's clients and partners with a full range of environmental services. New technologies, products and solutions which limit the environmental impact of human activities and support the protection and sharing of resources according to the rules of sustainable development are developed here. An important sphere of the Institute activity is the revitalization of degraded land. The research covers practically everything that affects the environment, from detailed analysis of waste, the assessment of quality of air, soil, water, sewage and sludge, to tests on agricultural and food products. The results of the research are used to develop appropriate revitalization plans. Modern geoengineering and specialized research was carried out, and geological mining expert opinions were prepared, among others, for the needs of construction of the Silesia City Center, A1 motorway, or the new KTW office block in the Katowice City Center. Modern technology is applied in the environmental research. The CMI has been using drones to fight the low-stag emission. A proprietary laser meter designed for the fieldwork was installed in a flying laboratory.
Nasze marzenia to nowoczesne, bezpieczne, efektywne.
Our dream is a high-tech, effective, safe and environmentally friendly mining in Poland, as well as a rapidly changing and clean Silesia in Poland. We want to be active participants in these changes. Within a year, the Institute research teams implement more than 100 statutory tasks, approximately 5,000 research service studies ordered by 1,000 of Polish and foreign customers. The CMI has been cooperating with all leading mining countries worldwide, such as China, India, Vietnam, USA, Australia, Turkey and South Africa. The Central Mining Institute is a research institution well recognizable in all mining countries of the world. It is a good ambassador of Polish mining science and of Polish economy.